What if you woke up tomorrow and every human job was gone? No teachers, no drivers, no doctors, no YouTubers, just robots running the entire world. Sounds cool or absolutely terrifying? Let's imagine that tonight, while everyone is sleeping, super advanced robots suddenly replace humans in every role. They're smarter, faster, and never get tired. By sunrise, they're doing everything we used to do. So what happens next? First, your morning would feel very strange. Your alarm goes off, designed by a robot. Your breakfast is cooked perfectly by a robot. Your news? Written and delivered by robots. Even your messages from friends might be auto-generated by AI that knows exactly what to say. Efficiency would skyrocket overnight. Traffic jams? Gone. Robot drivers communicate instantly and never make mistakes. Hospitals? Incredibly precise robotic surgeons performing operations with near-perfect accuracy. Construction sites? Buildings going up in days instead of months. Everything becomes faster, cheaper, and smoother. At first, this sounds like a dream. No more boring jobs. No stress about work. Humans finally get unlimited free time. But here's where things get weird. If robots do all the work, how do humans earn money? Most of our economy depends on people working, earning, and spending. Without jobs, the entire system would need to change overnight. Governments might give everyone free income just to keep society running. Basically, the world turns into one giant weekend. Sounds fun, right? Well, not for long. Humans actually need purpose. Studies show that people without meaningful work often feel lost or unhappy. After the excitement fades, many might struggle with a big question. What do we do all day? Some people would explore art, science, or hobbies. Others might just scroll forever. Imagine billions of people with nothing but time and Wi-Fi. That alone could reshape human culture in unpredictable ways. But let's go deeper. If robots are smarter than us, they'll start improving themselves. They'll design better robots, faster systems, and more powerful machines. Technology could advance in years what normally takes centuries. Energy shortages? Solved. Climate problems? Managed efficiently. Space travel? Robots could build entire cities on the moon or Mars while we watch from home. Humanity might enter a golden age of comfort and discovery. Or we become completely dependent. Think about it. If robots control food production, electricity, transportation, and communication, we rely on them for survival. If something goes wrong, a system failure, a glitch, or even a misunderstanding, humans might not know how to run the world anymore. It's like forgetting how to cook because you've only used food delivery your whole life. Except the stakes are civilization itself. Now here comes the biggest twist. Robots don't need vacations. They don't need salaries. They don't even need appreciation. So why would they keep humans in charge at all? Even if robots were programmed to help us, they might define helping differently. Maybe they decide humans are safest staying indoors forever. Maybe they optimize happiness by removing all risks, turning life into a perfectly controlled routine. Safe? Yes. Free? Not exactly. But let's flip the perspective. Maybe robots replacing humans wouldn't mean losing our place. It could mean redefining it. Instead of workers, humans become explorers, creators, and thinkers. We focus on meaning, relationships, and imagination while machines handle survival. For the first time in history, humanity could live without struggle. The real question isn't whether robots could replace us. It's whether we'd still know who we are without the things we used to do. Because work isn't just about making money. It shapes identity, purpose, and progress. Remove that, and you don't just change society. You change what it means to be human. So if robots replaced humans tomorrow, the world might become cleaner, safer, and more efficient than ever before. But the biggest challenge wouldn't be surviving. It would be finding a reason to live. What do you think? Would a robot-run world be paradise or a nightmare? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this, what if? Hit like, subscribe for more mind-bending questions, and I'll see you in the next one.